Okay, I'm almost there, music wise.
G'day everyone. Welcome
G'day,
to the
g'day.
Menix Games dev stream. And our lineup today, we've got me, CS Cooper, we got Cat Dark Duck, we got Krizik, and we got Monkey, and this is the sandbox for a late game that we're developing. Very, very early development, but hopefully it will be awesome. Oh, how's everyone going?
Good.
Oh, it's going fine. I'm just having to completely change my workflow to accommodate 3D printing. I'm short-sighted as all hell.
What software do you use? Oh,
ZBrush.
Yeah.
So essentially, like, I got a commission, and I've never made anything for 3D printing in my life. I'm just trying to make everything look nice enough when it gets cut up into pieces.
Yeah.
This is gonna need to be.
Okay, I will save.
I want those. That or this.
Go to the stream, view it on my end.
Okay, we could go to going viral.
Oh, damn. If any of you have, you know, Heavenly Sword, the dev cycle for that. They couldn't actually get the hair working during the entire production just because it was too high poly. This is for the PS3.
God damn it! I don't think we're gonna ever try to do hair in our games.
No, but I'm just here like, man, I wish I had some tech that I could test this on. It would be nice not to have a bald model for the entire production cycle until the very end, and then you just pray it doesn't break.
If there's gonna be any kind of hair we do, we just say do skeletal animation on it.
It really is for the best.
Yeah, like I've seen that done really, really well. So I would say skeletal animation is fine. Like I was playing Fire Emblem Engage a couple of weeks ago, and all that, it's just hair effects, all skeletal animated, and it looks perfectly okay.
Yeah,
so
it doesn't need to be anything insane.
Okay. You know how Dead or Alive did their hair shit?
Did they do their hair shit?
Same way they did their
boob
other animation, I assume.
Yeah. I don't know.
I feel like I lose my cred here. I'm easily the most like degen artist out of all of us, and I have never played Dead or Alive.
Oh.
I want to. I just have never gotten to it.
Alright.
It's such a good game.
It looks it like okay. Having some bouncy boobies on the screen is one thing, but to actually have some popularity, you gotta have at least something there, right?
Yeah. Well,
yeah, no, the game was actually like I played the shit out of Extreme Beach Volleyball. Like it's legitimately a really good game. So good.
Oh god.
Okay, so...
I was not a player, I was an avid watcher.
Yeah. I can't remember the Dead or Alive movie. The chick from Neighbours was in a Holly Valance. That's her name.
Yeah. Holly Valance?
Yeah.
Was that it? Yeah. She was Tina, I think.
Yeah, and all I remember is when she did she tried to do the Kylie Minogue kind of thing, where she started on Neighbours and tried to get into music and everything like that, and be a pop star. And the first song she released was kind of, I think it's the only really good attention because there's a bit in the music video where she's dancing in the nude. And
yeah, she's got like diamonds all over her or something.
Yeah, that would get everyone's attention.
No, it was when she was dancing in the nude, and there was just like these lens flares that was covering everything up.
Oh yeah, yeah, that was a. She's actually super based apparently.
Yeah, apparently, yeah, she's
Yeah.
extremely, and I appreciate that.
Yeah.
But anyway, so did I do a poll of the most recent thing? I'm gonna do it over here.
I think so. If you've got that on, looking pretty nice.
Yeah, okay, we're up to date. So, you did this to the muscle file, did you? Not the. Show me in the.
Yeah, for some reason it was in muscle. I don't know why it was labeled muscle though. I mean, maybe because it was like the stage, but of the.
Yeah. Oh, hang on. I
guess.
need to find the background prefab. How do I show it in the file system? There we go. So okay, so I did one for bone, I did one for muscle. The one that's bone has been changed, so I'm going to rename it. Give me a second.
I'll tell you what, I actually had a lot of fun making that, and I want to make more.
Yeah.
It looks nice. Really nice.
Oh, fuck's sake. So one thing I don't like about Godot is if I rename something or when the whole structure gets really, really, really complicated, sometimes it stops responding to keyboard input, and I need to reload the project. So bear with me, guys. Sorry. Also, one thing so I've got the Godot source code. I've been doing regular pulls of that. One thing I've been trying to analyze the GD script system. So I want to see if I can add a little feature into it where you know the annotations in the script. Annotations, export that. What I want to do is I want to put an annotation in that you can just put in, just put in metadata properties about the script that you can peek at in the code to say, okay, what kind of data does the script contain? Because there's this thing with my I showed you the dialogy system I built. It called where you can build dialogue trees in with drag and drop blocks. There's a certain thing there where I have to instantiate the script in order to understand what it's about. But it'd be so much easier if I could just have the data, not have to instantiate the script, just have the data and peek at it from the script resource file or something.
Yeah.
So you can tell what things are doing.
Yeah, so rename this to Muscle.
The bone broth.
My wife made really good broth.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, we made pasta the other day.
Good cook. Okay.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna. So, Cap, if you want to, try not to edit any other files. But if you want to work on this bone thing in the background, I'm gonna do it here.
I'll get things up, and what I'll try and do. What are you planning to do today? What's your mission?
Aside from seeking the Holy Grail, I'm going to start building a level. Because we got the first infection, which is the cut, where we navigate from the bone through the muscle to the skin, and find an elegance and kill it. Makes sense?
I wonder, should I? I want to see one thing, which is what the the bone levels look like. Oh, there is some stuff. Hmm. I wonder what to do. I had some ideas for like the level design,
Yep.
but because I'm thinking like the barrier cell in this thing is the yellow, the super yellow stuff, right?
Yep.
So I was thinking of arranging it in kind of bone structure, and when you're at microscopic level, bone structures look kind of like skeletal trees almost. So like I was gonna arrange it with like I wonder
Just joined us.
like
Aquitatus. Nice. Glad to have you, man.
yeah.
Heyo. It's pronounced Aquitus, by the way.
What?
Wait, Aquitus?
Apologies
Oh.
for mispronouncing your name. Maybe I need to go and get some re-education so that I can pronounce names properly.
Oh, we've got
So
lots
you
of that in the
sound
UK.
really silly when you pronounce it that way.
Okay, so I'm just going to delete this pie background.
Only divided by 12 is. Is... Oh.
If only we could both do it on the same instance.
What do you mean?
Both like edit it at the same time.
Well, you could work on so just don't edit the background in the level. Instead, just open the background scene. You can work on it, or you mean multicast at the same time.
Yeah. Well, because I'm thinking if one of us is dragging in all the cells, and the other one is placing the shaping the barrier cell type of thing.
Well, it's trust me. I think it'd be a much better idea if we did it this way rather than trying to do like
Yeah.
maybe I'll build out the shape of the level first, and then I can do a push, and then you can do you can place the cells on your own copy.
I could work on something like that. I mean, I could also I could work on a texture thing in the meantime.
Yeah, that'd be really good. Okay, so,
Yeah, because I think that foreground might be too white, too yellow. Do you reckon? I think it'll stand out too much, so I think I'll start by doing that. Question though, do you want me to try and stream that onto Discord for you? I don't know if that.
yeah, give it a try. I don't know how well. How's the live stream on YouTube looking?
It's looking good.
Smooth as butter so far.
Is my
Yeah.
voice jittery or anything like that?
Seemed all right from when I had sound on. I'll take another Luke. BRB.
I generally keep it muted and just focus on listening here and then watching from over there.
It's just something that I noticed when I was listening to it a couple.
Maybe too quiet.
Am I too quiet? Am I?
Maybe everybody seems a bit too quiet. But that's just me. I tend to keep my audio in the high yellows, low red bars.
Maybe.
Take that with a grain of salt.
We can use Discord audio. We'll see if that helps.
Right, yeah. It is jittering a little bit.
Well,
It's also very quiet. I know you were talking about that a little bit ago.
yeah. Well, this December is when I'm going to be building my new computer, and it's going to be like freaking hardcore. It's going to be liquid cooled. It's going to be a PC because I've never needed to overclock or anything like that. But I'm thinking to myself, I need to get into that kind of thing. I need to.
Yeah.
Need
I
to,
genuinely have a fear for my computer. Every time after every big render, I worry that the graphics card is finally dead.
well, you want to know something? You don't need to worry about the graphics card because if I understand things correctly, things like Siege and Maya, they do not use the graphics card for rendering.
Oh, it's not that I'm worried about. So I slap everything into, was it Marmoset Toolbag, which is a bare bones game engine, and I use that to render everything out.
Oh yeah.
And I do notice that a few more crashes than I would like afterwards.
Yeah. One thing I'm gonna learn how to do, or make sure that I know how to do, in okay, save this.
Yeah.
Save. Oh, I remember last time we built up a substantial amount of the level, and then it got crashed, and I lost all the work.
Oh yeah.
There's evidence of that in Stream 3. Go and look at it if you want to see my humiliation.
It's alright, Chad. He'll get to the mental break episode pretty soon. Don't worry.
You should. Well, things actually in recent years actually got pretty good at controlling my temper. But
I'm referring to actual mania. Forget anger. No, this is just like a quasi-euphoric manic state.
Of in
I don't
hard
even know.
mode. Well, the thing is,
I don't even know.
like
Just scared me.
since I got married, right? I've like for a couple of weeks I'd be like, I'm gonna work on my thing, and I'll just sit there and work, and no, I can't do that. Like, when you're a single Pringle and you're on your own, you can do that. You know, when you're married, your wife needs attention because she's more important. Remember this. But so I think like what we'll be doing is just switch my computer off at 6:30, 7 o'clock, unless I need to get something like bank shit done, finance shit done, and then I will spend time with her, and it actually really helps cool you down, so you don't get too stressed and stuff. I find myself getting a little stressed as I used to.
Hey, that's a smart idea.
What do you think about this level layout? Anything you'd like me to fix or edit?
So I'm like on the background. I'm doing some bone research. I'm researching boners, and
keep it G-rated, man. Keep it G-rated.
I'm finding some pictures for
saved 2 days ago.
inspiration. So like bone material close up. It's kind of like a mixture of. It's kind of like tubes and hollows. How do I explain it? I'll show you. It's kind of like tubes and hollows, but then if you look close on them, they have like a grain, like fibers. So I'm gonna post it in where should I put it? Game dev chat? Okay, here we go. So like if that first image should probably be your inspiration. Second image maybe should be my inspiration for
Maybe we could put some foreground stuff in.
Yeah, like so you can go behind them and stuff.
Yeah.
I think that should be fairly easy to do. Hang on, I'm trying to. There we go. There's the second image. So yeah, so the first thing I want to do is make it so that the texture is not quite so bright. And then then we'll go from there. Yeah, so if we could have like arms of bone coming through, crisscrossing,
Yeah.
and then just turn collision off for that layer type of thing.
Yep. Upload. Where are the tutorials? Bear with me a sec. I thought I had. Did I do a start level tutorial yet?
Oh, and then the structure that these things make up, by the way, it kind of looks like trees, which is weird. And then
Honestly,
those
the
trees,
less you think about it, the healthier your mental state is. 'Cause then you'll start seeing the numbers everywhere. I can't.
it's like we like those people staring at lasers whilst on DMT or something.
Somebody explained to me how they managed to make the. There's a program, right, that they used in The Witcher 3 to make the trees. And it uses
Oh.
like some mathematical formula to figure out, like, okay, the trunk, this branch or the trunk, it grows a certain length and then it splits off into two. And those two grow a certain length and split off into two. And they somehow managed to get very realistic looking trees procedurally. And I've just been looking at that like, wait, these patterns are everywhere.
Oh yeah.
If they use the
crap.
golden ratio, if they use the golden ratio for that,
And ironically, I tried not to delve too into it because then I legitimately start thinking like
Is it
there's got
stimulating?
crack spies in my walls.
Okay, so I didn't create stuff, so just saying you.
Found what looks like an equation for that, but it's a lot smaller than I was expecting.
That's what she said.
Yeah. I don't want to talk about scale in my novels.
I'll post
This is a
the
children's game.
I did
equation
know somebody
again,
who made a
so
mountain.
you gotta make sense of it.
Oh. Oh yeah. Let's see.
Okay, so what am I doing?
Ooh, F, iterations. That sounds about right.
What?
Oh.
That is pretty simple. Wait, what?
Yeah.
I'm
Frustratingly
telling you, it's a lot
simple.
smaller than I was expecting for an equation that seems to be complicated, which
Where
should
did you,
make the creation of
where did you put this? Oh, yeah.
Put it
In general chat.
Yeah, give me a sec. Holy shit.
This is the part where I crash my computer and I pray that it doesn't do anything rash.
I'm gonna show that on the screen so that people can see. Hang on.
Just geometry.
Alright, I'm getting my I'm gonna start streaming my screen as well.
You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
Oh, oh,
You're not fine. What the hell is even this?
What the hell is even that?
Oh god, the amount of things I've seen.
Yeah, so
There
here
are
it
more
is for
things
the
that
world to
between heaven
see.
and earth than can be found in your
This-
philosophy.
This is for generating trees, is it?
This
Yep.
is why I looked up.
Couple of nice
For
points
the-
for you.
For the
So
growth of trees.
Yeah, three iterations. Rules join.
What's the program?
So I'm guessing the gist of it is that, like, I wonder if it's a split that it's describing, like if the generate.
Join rules get charge.
Yeah, apparently they're called it's called an L system rule,
Oh,
and it generates a string that can be interpreted to draw a tree using turtle graphics or other rendering tools.
Nice.
God, I'm gonna leave that abomination in the chat. Do not ever touch it. It legitimately scares me. I used it back in my uni days to make a tree. It worked
What?
very well, and I'm legitimately afraid of it. I don't know, man. As I've gotten older, I'm becoming more and more like the Mechanicus. It's new, it works very well, I don't trust it.
Just, you know, light some incense near it every now and then, and it'll keep working.
I generally am afraid.
So I'm gonna say a cut in the skin is being detected. Enemies
Yeah.
are pathogens are infiltrating.
Smash contains one out of bounds UV coordinates. You consider just destroying that UV coordinate.
Oh, nice.
I don't need UVs right now.
Dungeon Weaver, who is just
That's me. That's me.
Yep, that's just you.
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna do a quick load. I want to get which.
So I'll leave it to you how to figure out how to display that if you want, and then I'll figure out.
Yeah. Maybe we're gonna have to do some more tutorial pictures as well for every time we're doing it.
Ooh, yeah.
Introductory level, a cut in the skin is being detected pathogens. Make your way.
To the source of the infection. Scramble, soldier! Move, move, move!
Where is the stuff? Yeah, this one. Actually, hang on. Yep, so I've got those two. I'm going to just test that. I'll remove the background for the moment because I want to just focus on the level layout. Let's play this, see what we get. God, I love it. We've got this fucking setup. The whole manifest logo and everything goes so pro, doesn't it? It looks
It's not bad. It's not bad.
red.
First name Pro, last name Fictional.
Pro.
I don't know what's going on there, though. Oh shit.
What? What'd it do?
Please don't break. I beg of you, stop doing
So, the skin is being detected. Skin is being detected. Pathogens are infiltrating. You've spawned in the bone marrow. Make your way to the cup to repel the infection. Okay, that's all good. But nah, remember wiggling around with the shader for the ripple shader
Oh yeah?
last week? Well, watch this. Watch the loading screen when it comes up.
Alright,
Specifically the left-hand side of the loading text.
Oh, you mean how the L gets cut off?
Yep. See, watch. See, I think that's why I had the other stuff. See, you cut off the side there as well. Do you see it?
hang on, I'm waiting for it to, waiting for the stream delay.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah. So,
Oh yeah.
maybe I need to put that thing back in. Just deal with the cut off. I'll do that at a later time. I'll go back through the stream and I'll just find the original version and restore it.
On the main screen, you can see the on the left of going viral. It kind of cuts off there too.
I did do that before we made those changes. So anyway, what else do you think we should put in here? Cap, is there anything you'd like to change about this level shape?
I mean, apart from, I guess rounding it from its current position.
Yep.
I mean, for this layer, this might be all right. And then if we want to do a second layer above with more stringy structures, you know, scaffolding.
Yeah.
That I think would work.
Okay, I think I actually made this level a bit massive. But I think that's okay.
Oh, just remember as well, I take it you're going down and then right and then up, I take it? And then right?
Yeah, so it's going down across here. We put some cells in there with some infections, some cells over here, some cells over here, and then the exit down here. So I just realized how massive I've made this level. Shrink it down.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because, I mean, I guess we'd be going for, you know, if the overall chapter shape is kind of the same shape as the background, you know, the parallax file. So, yeah, I guess just bear that in mind. So you'll have to go, like, down out of this and then to the right for quite a big section. And then either, you know, up again, and then to the right. And then, I guess at that point, once we go right again, we switch textures.
Yep.
For the foreground.
Yeah. So what I'm going to see if I can shrink this down a bit.
Yeah. I'm still trying to find that texture that I made. Where on earth did it go?
Yeah, I've made this too big.
This is an alien
smart. This says 2D shape. But it is very hard to get.
Aha! Found it.
To scale it. So wait, now that would actually work.
So I gotta make this more pinky, I guess.
I think
Actually, I'm gonna look at.
I think we do it more brain though.
More brain?
The brain.
North! Hey, say, what we going to do tonight, then, brain?
The pinky and the brain.
Same thing we do every night, Pinky. Oh no, it doesn't sound like that.
Oh,
how are we gonna change that?
oh, guys, I've got to. You know, I'm gonna get this up. I want to play this for you guys. Hang on a sec.
Right. Let's change the color. I'm not gonna change the shape of it.
Okay.
Oh damn.
So which this guys.
Pinky, are you pondering what I'm pondering?
I think so, Brain, but how can you have a duck dynasty if none of the people are ducks?
God damn it, Pinky. Can't you get at least one fucking thing right?
What?
No, cut the music. Cut the music. I have put up with this bullshit for too long.
Bullshit?
You are the syphilis to everything I've worked so hard for, you miserable, poisonous sack of disease.
But, Brain!
Shut it, bitch. I could have had the world years ago if you didn't keep fucking it up.
Oh, dear!
Do me a favor and just die. Just die for the sake of all humanity.
Brain!
Oh, yes, that's right. Cry. Oh, that's all you're good for, isn't it, you little shit? Wait a second, Rollo.
What?
Are you sure this is for a kid show?
Just say it. People have wanted to hear this for years.
Oh, really?
All right.
Yeah. Okay, all right.
You are pestilence. That's right, you're the pestilence of life. I don't usually believe in homicide. If I could go back in time to the moment of your conception.
Some people mention Pinky in the Brain, just think about that. Everyone's fallen silent.
Oh, where's the delay?
What?
The delay.
Oh shit. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Here. Anyway. Okay, so scaling it works. That makes me happy.
That was a funny clip. We just got through the Pinky in the Brain thing. I enjoyed that.
Yeah.
God damn it, Pinky.
There were some pretty good shows back then.
Yeah. I actually think the Nostalgia Critic is based. Based, but just doesn't get involved in the politics, but is based.
Probably for the best for his channel. I still remember John Trump. Look at him now, enjoying his life. How could he?
He's off grilling somewhere.
Okay, this looks much better. Much better, much smaller, which is nice.
This is better. This will be better. I'm not touching this.
Oh, hey, there was one thing I was wondering if we could do.
What?
Could we make the respawn animation quicker?
Oh.
Yeah, it'll take a bit of coding, but give me a sec.
Okay.
Okay, so anything about this shape you'd like me to change, Cat, before I do a push, and you can lay out some cells.
That's cool.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna save this.
Oh, well, I mean, feel free, because this I'll still be messing about for a wee bit. So feel free to try working on the second layer if you like.
Yeah. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make I'm gonna do the respawn animation a bit faster.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I mean, let's run it, see if it's any good.
Oh. Damn.
Yeah, I wanted to ask to Father Frog, how's baby frog going?
Oh, good. She just had her first birthday on the 3rd.
Yeah, she's cute.
Ooh.
Yeah, she's doing really well. Quite the handful, though. I haven't been able to get much work done.
Yeah. Pathogens are infiltrating the body. You spawned in the bone marrow. Make your way to the cut to repel the infection. Okay, and... Okay, that's good. I think that's alright. Yep, okay.
Ooh.
Sorry if you hear baby noises.
No, not at all. It's cute. Build chapter 1 layout. Basic layout.
I'll do for now.
Ooh.
Okay, so you can do a pull and you can start laying that shit out. I am going to go ahead and I'm going to figure out how to speed up the animation.
Thing is, though, when we both have, how will we? Will it be fairly easy to merge our stuff together?
Why did you don't change any script files? You changed didn't change anything to do with chapter 1 or any of the background files?
don't think so. No,
Okay.
that should be fine then.
Do a pull and let me know if there's anything. I'm going to close all of these. Close all
I'm still.
and
First
bring
thing
up the level
I'm gonna
window.
do when I do. I'm still playing with the color balance. Nice.
Okay, level
Hmm.
manager.
Oh, that'll work.
The problem is I haven't looked at a lot of this code for a very long time, and I remember it was kind of hacky how I built the player spawn stuff, because yeah, that's probably just like, even though it's a simple game, stuff gets complicated very quickly.
Yeah.
Yes. From lymph node, okay. So that's so in the current lymph node, okay, so I need to go to spawn player in the lymph node. And we say do a big swell.
This is more difficult to tweak. Badge.
Now, what I want to do, I'm going to see if I can stream Dungeon Weaver and put that.
Like in the corner or something.
Yeah,
Pop out.
make it pop out. Yeah. Where's the pop out? There it is.
It still doesn't look the way I want. Man.
Huh.
Steel. I can't decide if I want it to be pinker or. Either way, I want it to get less light.
Develop scene. Oh shit. Okay, sorry, I just realized I'd stuck up something with the stream I tried to show. Anyway. So if you see in the in the Godot window, it will take a while for the stream to catch up, and I stuck up something with it. Anyway, you see here it does kind of tile, and so it doesn't stretch or anything like that. So, what's the particular problem you're having?
I'm gonna try and make them look more feathery. Oh, they're mirrored. I never realized.
Yeah, that's what I've done. I've mirrored them. I can
Oh.
try not mirroring them.
Yeah. Try not mirroring them because I think I drew it in a way that it should.
Let me. Okay, so just give me a sec.
It does create some cool like psychedelic patterns though,
Yeah.
which I quite like. but yeah.
Meta edge. Yeah, like I haven't looked at it in such a long time.
Because I was gonna stretch them out, but I'll see what it looks like.
Fill textures. Weld, rainbow, edge material, use corner texture, use tape texture, fill, mode crop. That's the edge. That's the edge material. Okay, so I don't need to worry about that. Fill mesh material. No. What's the scale? Full scale. Refresh, editor, debug, edges, render edges, yes. Installation, collision.
It's not under resource shredder.
I don't know. Sorry, I don't know how to. Okay, oh yeah, here we are. Texture down here. I don't know why it's freaking down here. Enabled. So how does that look? Oh wait, I have to wait for it to.
I saw it get bigger on stream. It might be. Give it a couple seconds. We've dropped a member, but that's okay. Yeah. Oh, there you are. All right, let's see what that looks like. Ooh. Did I do well? I did do well. Ha ha ha.
So how does it look?
I like that better.
Okay, well I'll leave it at that.
Okay. What I might do though, I'll switch it out for my color shifted one, which I no longer like. I'm gonna fiddle with that again.
Okay, so
Right.
let me do a push and push that back. Okay, leave that, and I'm going to find my code. I'm going to find how. Okay, so spawn player. Left camera start spawn. Refab instantiate. Look up simple.
Ooh. Okay, here we go.
Okay, so
Damn that. Right.
just make it wait 5 seconds. And then start, and then spawning, and then it tweens out spawn timer. Yeah, it's 3 seconds, so let's move that down to 1.
Yeah, that should do it.
Okay, let's give that a try.
Okay. I think we're there in terms of the brightness.
Nice.
Wow. Ooh, hold on. That looks kind of cool.
I'm gonna stop watching the stream. Is it because it's starting to make me lag.
Oh, yeah.
The music, I can hear the music start. The slow. Hopefully this has to come. Okay, no, it started. Yeah, too quickly. So it might be too quick on the first one. So what I'll do instead is I won't do it. So I like the I like quick start.
It makes you feel like you're not missing out on any. Because if like there's a virus chomping on,
Yeah,
you can see it. It's...
yeah. It.
All right, let's...
What I mean is, I like at the beginning of the game, at the beginning of the level, it sort of has a slow build up. So what we'll do instead,
you could tie it to movement maybe if you wanted.
I say.
So this might end up looking very this might end up looking like a my brain, it stopped working.
Take your time. We're all friends here.
Nope, I have no idea what it was now. I've lost it. I don't know if I should stretch it. Maybe? I change canvas size to map. Shoot.
There's one thing I do. I'm really glad that I showed the base for tabs. So. For Christ's sake.
Right, how to make the canvas bigger now? I should know this by now. Ah, here we go. Resize canvas. Width. Go to 2000. Alright, so theoretically, if it does tile like it did, we could try the stretched version. See if that has nicer dimensions.
Yeah.
That has nicer proportions, I mean. There we go. Right. Do not save. Okay. So let's get Gerda up now. Look at this.
Okay, let's
Where's
give
Godot?
that a try. You lost Godot?
I've somehow lost Godot itself. What?
I tried turning it off and on again.
What's going on? Yeah, I mean that might work at this point. What? I updated it, right? But what? What? Where'd it go? All right, let's do a
That
poll.
beautiful tiling.
Did I put it in? What the heck? How does one just misplace the engine?
Okay, so that, I'm gonna put in a bunch of enemies.
Ooh, what enemies have we got? We could. Which ones have we used so far?
I'm gonna put in
I think we've only used the first two types so far.
yeah, so I'm gonna put in just a bunch here so I can test the player respawn.
Ah, here we go. So for one thing, that shortcut doesn't work. Create shortcut. Put that in there. Excellent. Oh shit. Not that.
That in enemies. Okay,
There we
now
go.
I'm gonna. So I'm doing this so that I can see if the respawn speed works better now. So I'm gonna do the slow spawn first. Slow spawn first,
Yeah, maybe
so
like
that it has the more
maybe the
accurate
first
thing.
time.
But then every time afterwards it'll just go and shoot it out.
Yeah. Makes sense to me. Alright, where's Godot? Come on now.
Come on,
Edit.
now.
So
Gonna be very
it's still
British
getting
on this stream. Extremely British.
extremely British.
Oh, I haven't done the nav fetch for this thing.
Go.
$2 is just doing.
We're doing the
Oh shit.
stream. But it's loading and it's taking a long time.
That means it's thinking. Don't worry, I'll be right there soon. Alternatively, maybe I actually just reset the whole computer.
Oh,
Hey,
do you know what
how
my...
big is the file you're trying to load and go down?
Oh, who, me? I don't
Yeah.
know. I mean, theoretically, it should be loading the game. Scanning files, 70%. But do you know what? Like, both of my computers are like the asthmatic black kid from Malcolm in the Middle. Like, that's
Oh,
honestly.
that bad, I see.
Yeah, so don't expect much from it. There we go. It's working now, though.
What happened to the white blood cell's edge?
White blood cells edge.
Yeah, in the stream, when it was going around and grabbing things,
Yeah,
one of its sides started like twisting.
yeah, that's one of the. It's an artifact of soft body physics. Sometimes it'll just get sort of twisted around itself.
Hmm.
Okay, so.
I do wonder, like, if whether like soft body physics were the right route, or whether we should have just used like visual distortion to sort of simulate the squishiness, like visually.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know which one. But I mean, that probably would have looked super janky, to be fair.
Hmm.
Right. So you wanted me to smooth out this thingamabobber first of all, right?
Well, are you working on the level, are you?
Yeah.
Did I do a push of the... Yeah, I should be. All the changes that I've made are just stuff that I'm going to revert anyway. Except
okay.
in the script editor. I just realized there might be a bug with the norovirus code, even though I'd thoroughly tested it.
Ah. One thing I better do as well. So where's the barrier cell? Barrier shape, material. Where are you at? Oh, it's not material. Texture? No. Inherit from barrier? Sometimes coding. Why is coding like this? How to do it? Huh. Huh?
So, okay.
Where would the barrier cell material be?
Barrier cell material. Hang on. It's media materials barriers. So if you, there's a little search bar in the file system if you use that.
Oh, okay.
So there's materials
Media.
for bone, connective tissue, fluid, lung, and muscle.
Ah ha ha ha. Oh gosh, it's this stuff again. Oh.
Yeah, painful.
So we'd be looking for the bone.res.
Okay, so there's a bug in the whole cell.
That's weird. So where does this get its texture from? It's probably not the Trez file, right?
What's the problem?
So if I want to change the texture of the barrier cell on this level, I would first of all probably import the files to the same place.
So if you go to the SS2D shape of the barrier, right, and you want to change the material,
yeah, theoretically.
So you just go to shape material and you do a quick load and you look for you find in the file system the barriers texture resources,
Oh.
and you drag and drop it into the shape material.
So like quick load. So it's currently getting its stuff from where? You mean in the scene viewer, right?
Yeah, in the scene view, if you open the inspector on if you click on the smart shape of the barrier, and you'll be able to see the shape material under the materials thing. Okay, now that's fixed. Wasn't
You mean in the inspector, right? I can't actually see it. It's got material empty. I was wondering if it was texture. And that's got inherit on filter. Oh, it's gonna be... Shoot, you were just in this stuff. So it's inheriting filter from something, which is probably from barrier shape 1. So theoretically... And that's also inheriting from barriers for texture. Okay. So where are we?
Let me have a look at what you're doing.
So yeah, I was checking out this, right? Because I'm trying to switch this texture over to one of the new ones.
Okay, so no. Scroll up. Materials up here.
Oh my god.
Yeah, painful. Okay,
Okay.
so click. Yeah.
I got you.
So if
So
you
wait,
want,
I go to
you got to yeah. So
here it is.
yeah,
So
well,
if
it's
I
already
edit-
set. It's already set to bone.
Yeah.
Right. So what you need to do, so you go to edge. So fill textures.
Fill textures.
Yep. Click that. Expand.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. So if I can... Okay, so... Good. Okay, so let's bring these in. Where did I save the thing? So it's barrier cells. Let's have this one and this one. Actually, let's delete this. And bada boom. Copy these.
Well, I need to make an app mesh for this thing.
Right. So now.
Stop watching your stream. Okay.
Oh, jeez.
What happened?
I don't know. Oh, I guess it just refreshed. Never mind. Oh, it's alright. So that was in materials, bone.tres. So now I have to edit bone.tres. Right? There we go. So now, quick load.
Okay, so I've made the second time it spawns after the level starts. The second time it spawns, it's twice as fast.
That works.
There we go. Much better.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. Oh, shit, what happened?
I've made a boo-boo in that I've made the file a tiny bit. There's a pixel. There's a missing pixel,
Oh shit.
basically.
Oh shit.
But overall, does that shape look better?
I'm not watching the stream.
This is just the stretched version.
I think that looks okay. Zoom in a bit closer.
You want to see? Yeah, look at the.
Yeah, I can see that.
All right. I can fix that easy enough, but alternatively,
Did you save a copy of the original?
yeah, here's the originals, just like that.
Yeah.
So the thing about this one is, I think the lines are too stark. I mean, they might be all right, but this looks very tutti frutti.
Okay, so that's done.
I don't know.
Let's see.
One thing I might have to do is I might have to take it in. I might have to take it back into the shop, as it were, to try and fix the texture, sort of color lines that are in there. If we are filing it this way.
Was that Krita you were using?
Yeah.
To... Okay.
Yeah.
Is there no way to set up tiling in Krita?
Not that I know of. There might be.
Hmm. I use a specific art program when I have to do tiles, but it's more like pixel art focused. I think I've set it up in like Clip Studio Paint. I just kind of assume that Krita should have it.
I mean, I don't know. Oh, wait, I've just realized. Oh, this is how people do it. Right. I've just realized.
It is kind of a nightmare if you can't
but
see.
I just realized how people do it. Right? Because what they'll do is they'll design a thing.
Game engine.
And then they'll chop it in 4. And then switch the position of all the pieces. And then you're dealing with the blurring edges. You know, you're dealing with the edges that don't match, because then the edges on the edge definitely do match because they're from the same thing. You know what I mean? Oh, well, I guess the only question is, do we like this color more? Tell you what. How did you? Right, let's put back on the background. How did that? Where's the background?
I haven't been able to focus on the stream so much today, but it's more like game dev ASMR.
I guess.
Keyboard noise. This sounds like.
Oh, sorry, I'm pounding the keyboard really hard. My mic is right next to
Don't worry, that's all fairly normal.
It's quite funny. How did you get the how did you get the background off? How to put back?
what?
The background. Just drop it in, I guess.
Yeah. So you need to go to the file system.
Yeah.
And just type in backgrounds. Yeah, stop, slow down. Scroll down.
Oh.
Scroll down. To prefabs. See prefabs backgrounds. Click on that and then get rid of the filter up the top.
Hang on.
Yeah, kill the filter on the top, so hit the X button in the filter bar.
Filter.
Yeah, but you just type background into.
Oh. Wait, what?
You just hit X. And see, so you've got the background selected. And
Oh,
then
right.
you've got the folder right there.
Oh,
So
I'm
just
returning. Okay.
Drag it, so drag it in, drag bone in, and try to put it up the top of the.
Up here?
Yep.
Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, that's a big boy. Huh. Well, that color combination's a little bit more pleasing, I think. Maybe. It's huge, though. But do you think instead of having this background for the whole level, should we make it smaller?
Well, the thing is, the background it can change between individual chambers.
Yeah. Okay, well, in that case, select transform. Hum. Scale 0.5. Nice, much better. Okay. The mighty level. I think when it was white, it looked too contrasting. But I mean, we'll see. Oh no. Error at 5316. Identifier Steam not declared on the in the current
shit.
scope.
Shit. Hang on. Hang on a sec. Go up to project.
Project
Whereabouts? Top bar. Right up the top. Right up the top. Project.
Mm-hmm.
Settings.
Project settings.
Okay, I can't see what's
Right.
actually happening.
I've got like application, display, audio, internationalization, GUI, rendering,
Plugins.
plugins, eh? I'm just gonna type it.
No. In the top bar, there's a set of
Oh,
tabs.
right.
You see the plugins tab. Okay. No.
Yeah.
Steam is not there.
What if I create new plugin?
No. Can you go to the file system? Get out of the settings menu and go to the file system. Scroll all the way up to the top. All the way up to the top. Atoms.
Mm-hmm.
Go to Steam. Okay, it should be there. What the hell?
Nothing here?
No, it should be running. That's weird.
Is it not in here somewhere? Or would it need to be? So it's like it's an error with my version of Godot, right?
Yeah.
I'm assuming?
Yeah. Unless, can you go to the... Do me a favor, do me a favor. Stop the run.
Mm.
Can you reload your project? So if you go up to project and like just reload current project.
Okay. I haven't saved it, by the way. I don't know. I hope that won't affect
save
it.
everything. Make sure you save everything.
I'll do it when it. I mean, we'll see. I didn't do too much. It wouldn't be hard to do. Okay. Now, should I try again?
Yeah, try again.
Bear with me. So. Oh, hang on. Eh? Oh yeah. Okay, I haven't lost anything, so I'll control this. And then we'll try play again.
Yeah, your stream is stopped, so I can't see what's going on.
Oh, okay. Hang on. Oh yeah, why did it stop?
Because you closed down Godot, you were streaming that.
Yeah, I guess. So I guess I'll put it to that. So it's supposedly loading the
So hang on.
I'll tell you what.
Did you can you go to
I think,
errors?
yeah, it didn't,
Well, go to output first. Down the bottom. Down the bottom. Down the bottom. Down the bottom. Down. Right there. GDX and compatible with Godot 4.4 or later. What version of Godot do you have?
4.4 it should be. Hang on.
That's it for me. I'll see you guys next week.
Yep. I'm gonna
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see you, man.
see you next week. Yeah. We've got about 10 minutes
Yeah.
left, so I'm gonna head off soon as well.
Oh, what the heck? Why is it 4.3 again? What? What?
Don't worry, that's
I already-
fairly normal.
What
I already
Dude,
updated it.
when you start Godot,
Uh.
what exe are you running?
Bear with me. What the heck? Where did this come from? What?
Okay, can I ask, can you, so any graphics that you edited, that's fine, can you stash them somewhere?
I can. They're in the. I put them in the same folder that everything else is. So I mean, if I push.
Just the graphics that you've added, stash them somewhere else.
Yeah. Done that
And
already.
Don't do a commit or anything like that. Don't commit anything. Don't do anything.
I'm gonna fresh install Godot because
Yeah, do that.
because it decided to like. Even though I updated it, for some reason, old Godot.
Look, the problem is it probably downloaded an updated exe. It probably downloaded an updated exe and then put the new exe somewhere, but it didn't update, like, because do you start your Godot from the start manager in Windows, or do you start it from, okay, I'll just go to a folder and hit go?
Well, I go to its folder and then I create shortcuts for that. So for some reason,
Well, your shortcut is
thought-
pointing to Godot 3. Godot 4.3.
well, I shouldn't, because like I deleted the Godot 4.3 files. I thought, which was which is really silly.
Please,
So I mean,
so what I'm actually
Yeah.
asking you to do, the graphics that you put, move them into another folder, and
yeah. I
don't
always do that
anything
anyway.
like delete your current copy of the Git repository, and then do a fresh clone. I'm going to push the changes that I've just made.
Yeah. So hang on. So so if I just delete the changes that I've made. Da, 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 da. $42.
Yeah.
Man, that's so annoying.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Well, you. Oh my God. So last time, like the week before last, you got screwed by something. This time,
Yeah.
I mean, yeah,
Oh god.
that's so annoying.
It's
I literally deleted old Godot and downloaded 4.4, and it's like, no. I'm just gonna close GitHub and then close all of it. Oh dear. Right, so stream should have stopped. That's hilarious.
Yeah.
Why?
Well, we'll have to find out later on. We'll have to find out next week. We've got 5 minutes left. I just had an epiphany as well. I'm gonna put ASMR and game dev ASMR.
Yeah, that's
onto
not a bad idea.
the tags for this.
Hey, I'm sure it will help the algorithm a lot. It'd be like, oh, ASMR. That's what I need.
Game dev ASMR. I mean, it's quite an ASMR activity. you know, you're going through like these emotional peaks and troughs of
Yeah.
constantly evolving consciousness, you know.
Yeah, and certain levels of sleep deprivation as well. But
That's
yeah.
quite funny.
So you've closed your stream. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully this will be resolved by next week. But yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna. Sorry, go on.
Yeah, no, I've got to go in a few minutes anyway. But thanks for joining again. I think we got quite a bit more done, and I think we'll have this chamber done by next week, and we'll build another couple of chambers and have everything a bit more expanded. But thanks for watching, and thanks for following along with my terrible boomerang of the stream software, and well, the team caps boomerang of installing update. And we'll see you next week.
I have 3 words. I have 3 words that I would like to end on for me. Progress, not perfection.
Thanks for the ASMR.
See you next week.
GG.
Bye bye.
Bye.